Hi, this is Paul from Email Octopus, and I'm going to show you how to connect your Email Octopus account with your Amazon Web Services account. After completing your initial registration and adding your business address, you'll land on this screen, giving you two options. One, if you already created your AWS account, and the other, if you still need to do that. So if you'll click No, Not Yet, this will guide you to AWS to create your free account. For this video, we'll assume that I have already created my AWS account, so we will go ahead and click Yes. On the next screen, the first step is creating a user in AWS. We provide the instructions here for you, making it easier to set up. On the AWS end, you can use any username you want. We'll use Email Octopus. Click on the Programmatic Access and let's move to the next step, Permissions. Before continuing in AWS, go back to our guide and click the I've done this button. Our guide will show you what to do on the Permissions page next. It will also link you to the Permissions page directly if you were to come back because you didn't complete the setup yet. But we are already on the correct page, so as the instructions say, we will click Attach Existing Policies, and here we will search for SES Full Access and tick the box next to that. We can move to the next page, which is Tags. We don't use them, so you can skip that page. So on to the last stage, Review, and finally we have created our user. So here you'll have your access key ID and secret access key, which need to be inserted in the last step of the Email Octopus setup process. All you need to do is copy the main access key and paste it here. And lastly, show the secret key, copy it, and paste it here. Then you click I've done this and you're connected. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.